you, but I think, I'm guessing it could be 5 o'clock. That's it. Use this adjective. I'm not sure, I'm guessing it could be 5 o'clock, but I will work on it and come back to you. And do work and come back to him or her and say the right information. So real information is the key, not roundabout. If you inculcate this thing in your life, I can tell you, you shall succeed. For sure, there is no risk. Doubtful information integrity makes people to have less trust in you because they think you are guessing, you are unreliable, you are not trustworthy to provide information. So real information is the key. Relationship between uncertainty and information is inverse. More information you have, less uncertainty you will have. If I have the more information about Indigo flight leaving Hyderabad airport at 7:30, it's not late, I'm more clear what time should I leave. Inverse. More information you have, less uncertainty you will have. Uncertainty is indirectly proportional to information. 1 upon information. Uncertainty is equal to K constant into 1 divided by information. More information you have, less uncertainty you have. Are you clear? Yes or no? Now you answer me why, how you are clear. Come, give this. डंडा इनको दीजिए. आप बताइए आप कैसे क्लियर है. What have you understood? More information you have, less uncertainty.
More information leads to less uncertainties.
Why?
Because we can have more scope of understanding the situation.
Formula is uncertainty is equal to K constant into 1 divided by information. If information is more, 1 upon more information is less. Uncertainty is less. If information is 0, uncertainty is infinite. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Project managers' condition of relative uncertainty, they are partial information. They don't ever have full information. Therefore, when you don't have full information, how can you be right all the time? You can be right all the time if you have all the information. So, if I have less information, I take decision, I can go wrong, I can go right. I will try to take information which will make me more right. Therefore, taking a decision and going wrong, you should not be penalized for it. Nobody admits that I have done mistake. Nobody. I'm telling you. Since 73, it is comparatively more in India than other nations. India is a great nation. After 8 years in North America, I have come back to drive motorbike. I used to have a home and a very good car. There was no reason for me to come back, and I came back. I brought the computer revolution, computer culture in large corporations, and now project management. Therefore, even when I criticize India, don't ever get that feeling that I am not patriotic, because I am very much patriotic, therefore I am concerned. on the contrary. So, our culture of going wrong, learning, something which we have not done right, all these things have to be put into your systems. If systems are based on not you're doing anything wrong, you have done nothing. Take no decision, you cannot go wrong. Decision making means you can go wrong. Are you with me? Because decision is based on partial information, not complete information. The life is extremely simple. Ladies and gentlemen here, life is very simple. We make extraordinary complex. More complex you make yourself, the people who do not understand you will appreciate you. What a brilliant, what a brilliance. The reason you are calling him or her brilliant is because you have not understood anything. You got confused with formulas and this. Oh, what a man. He would have been Einstein if Einstein was not there. Those people are very dangerous. They don't know their subject. They are dangerous. They have pseudo knowledge. A person who knows his subject, he will make things simple. To make complex thing into simplicity is a challenge. So this is a very important, some of the considerations. I like to do this.